Say goodbye to those razor bumps. So long, suckers. Hey cheap bitches, I'm Rob, and this is On the Cheap Tip, and today is Thursday DIY. Now, summer is right around the corner, somewhere amongst these gray clouds that I see every day. It's a little depressing.
Shed a tear.
And when summer finally does come, we tend to shave and trim our body hair a lot more, especially for you ladies in the bikini area. Or men, some of you guys might want to wear a mankini.
It's nice.
We don't judge. But sometimes when we shave, especially in these very sensitive areas, we get irritations and razor bumps, which suck. Well, today we're gonna solve all that because I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to get rid of razor bumps and prevent them for good. You wanna know how? Let's get started. So the first thing, and really only thing that you're gonna need to get, uncoated aspirin. Now, aspirin is pure salicylic acid, and salicylic acid helps to reduce any irritations, and it also helps to exfoliate your skin to help release any ingrown hairs, which causes razor bumps. Now, you already might be saying, why do I have to get uncoated aspirin? Uncoated aspirin is going to be able to break down better so that we can make a solution, and it's cheaper too. It's like 87 cents or something like that. So all you're going to do is take a few aspirins, put them in a little bowl, and add a little bit of water to them. Mix it around, and as you mix it, you're going to notice that it breaks down rather quickly. That's why I say to use the uncoated aspirin, just saying. After I complete shaving, all I do is dip a cotton ball into the solution and dab it onto wherever I tend to get razor bumps. If you do have a little bit more sensitive skin, or you're using it in the sensitive area, like, you know, down below there, you may want to dilute your solution a little bit with some pure aloe vera gel. You could use it from the plant form, or you can use like 99% pure aloe vera gel. I would just go more on the natural side if you can. Now, you want to leave this solution on at least until it dries. I usually wait about 15 to 30 minutes and then I rinse it off. The reason I rinse it off is because it is acidic and it could tend to dry out your skin. However, if your razor bumps are really severe and you want to use this treatment overnight, I would use the solution with the aloe vera gel just so it's not as harsh on your skin. And if you feel like you need it from day to day, you can use it pretty much every other day, I would say. After you use the solution, I guarantee you, your razor bumps are going to be gone, or at least much better than they were. So, you're welcome. Anyway, that's my whole tip. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, make sure that you comment down below and let me know. And also make sure to follow me on social media sites. I'm on everything: Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, all one word, On the Cheap Tip. Pretty easy to find. And also make sure that you subscribe to me here on YouTube and hit that alarm button so you know when my next video goes live. And I'll see you next time. Bah! Salicylic acid and bleh. Salicylic bleh. To release bleh. Just bleh. And it bleh. Okay, f it. Do you have any boogers? That always scares me. I'll knock this lamp over. My touchstone lamp in the back. It's high quality production we have going on here. What can I say? I think that was good. What do you think?